which is a very popular one I get asked a lot about, is basically flipping phones. For example, people talk to me about this all the time. Tell me how do I flip a phone, all this stuff. Initially, when I first started like reselling phones and flipping phones and fixing cracked screen phones and all this stuff, what I did was I went to a store, it was in my neighborhood, and I saw exactly how much they sold the phones for, how they actually fixed it, what their prices were for. I asked questions like, hey, how do you unlock a phone? Where do you source your products from? I have, for example, a boss who wants to work with you. You know, like just trying to intrigue or just kind of like, kind of poke at the bear and find out exactly what does this person know that I don't know? And once I found it out, I say, hey, okay, since I don't have that much money, I'm gonna start by basically selling my personal phone. So believe it or not, I sold my personal phone. And then I basically used that money to buy me a cheaper phone. I kept the profits and then basically bought another phone and then bought another phone. Now, the most confusing thing about selling phones that I get a lot is basically, tell me, how do I find out the price of a phone? Where do I go to actually look it up? The answer is, where you're gonna buy a phone is the same place you check what it's actually going for. So when I'm on Facebook or eBay or Craigslist or OfferUp or whatever website this actually is out there, for example, for that phone, I'm looking at also, okay, so if they're going for $60 or $100, and I know for a fact I'm gonna have fees, also what my profit is, I deduct all those things, and then whatever is left over is going to be the price I'm actually able to pay for that phone. On top of that, there are legal ways to flip phones. For example, you can buy lots of phones, like LOTS, lot of phones, for example, on eBay. You buy a bunch of them, they might be cracked, have a few problems, you fix them up, then you resell them for a profit, great. You have people that basically, they lose phones, like for insurance claims. Never do anything crazy and illegal like that just to make a dollar, because it can be very risky, and if you get caught, it's just not worth it.
You've got to stop.